welcome again back to the channel. Thanks so much for joining us on our adventure here in Magic Kingdom. We are finally here at the 50th anniversary of Magic Kingdom. So today with me is my entire party for TCM. We're gonna have some fantastic memories and see who survives the day, because it's Disney. What else could go wrong? So let's enjoy the magic and see what adventures await. Good morning, Sydney.
Good morning.
What are we doing?
Going to Disney World.
Where are we going?
Magic Kingdom.
Yeah! So we are walking the very long path to the car. We've lost the reeds and the cruises.
I got my cramp again.
Oh God, here's that cramp. We've lost the reeds and cruises, which is going to be hilarious because they don't know where they're going. So, let's have an adventure today. Who you are.
Yeah, I'm disguised.
This is my face. This is Lily's face. That's Mom's face. And you're ready to go on the monorail. Kind of crowded. Meanwhile, the cruises and Reed went to Magic Kingdom when they weren't supposed to. This is my "you're in trouble" face. But we're gonna get situated to be a great day. So, no matter what. Lily's having a great time. Lily, who are you dressed as?
Belle.
Oh, let me see your outfit. Like
Jeans, a top, some weird ears that I got off of Amazon.
Very cute. Let me see the bow in the back. Oh, how cute. Very nice. And we finally found the Fab Four who went into the wrong places. Okay, so Natalie, who are you wearing? She taught me this, by the way. By Erin.
This by Erin. This shirt, I don't know, Mom threw it at me.
Okay.
These are Abercrombie.
Okay.
And then these are Nike.
Nice. Sophie, who are you wearing?
Yours by Erin. TCM jacket by Erin. Shirt by Pink. Leggings by Pink.
Oh,
shoes from Skechers as of 5 years ago. Socks Five Below. And backpack from... I forgot, but pins from everywhere else.
Nice. Okay, Sydney, what am I supposed to say now?
It's a fit check.
Okay, Sydney, give us a fit check.
On Clouds, Lulu's, PacSun, Ears by Erin, and yeah, socks by Adidas.
I don't even know, I'm just following.
We're going to the Little Mermaid with all the group. Say hi, group! Natalie has been here before, a long time ago. 16, I think, go that way.
Yeah.
And this is technically Sydney's trip, but Natalie's here too, because she's awesome.
Kids writing as a Sebastian to keep an eye on them. And we got the kids writing on Homeland and Ursula took Ariel's voice and
Lay down.
They weren't kidding when they called me girl or witch. But you'll find me nowadays. I've mended all my ways. Repentance in the light and made a switch. Yes. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. There's one longing to be dinner. That one wants to get the girl into a help her. Yes, indeed.
What a great
gentlemen want the rum, don't ya, boys?
We want the redhead.
Now, you scurvy skunk. Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10. 10.
Sydney,
It's every single ride that I'm on.
how many rides have you broken so far?
Like 6.
6. This is your 6th ride. This
Yes.
is all your fault. Then Sydney, why did you break this
I
ride?
don't know. This happened on what was it? The Dr. Seuss ride. We were stuck for like 5 minutes just sitting there, just like this, like watching
Actually, she
people.
broke the Bourne Spectacular twice.
Yeah.
What's the Bourne
It's a
Spectacular?
3D stunt show on a 360 screen.
Oh,
It's new. Hi, Mickey. How are you?
Okay. Am I by myself?
Yes.
Okay.
Go on this side, right over there by that pole. Alright, 1. Oh, yeah, she wants to see what you have. She's a Girl of the Year for her volunteerism and her pageant accolades from like a few years ago. We got delayed because of that, global pandemic thing, so. Oh, Mickey, you look fantastic. You can hardly even notice Sydney in the picture.
Left side, I'm so used to it.
Alright. Okay. Perfect. Sydney. How's it going?
I'm freezing.
What are we about to do?
Watch the fireworks.
Where are we?
Magic Kingdom.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Why are we here?
For Miss Earth?
Why are you here?
For Girl of the Year?
Yeah.